Welcome everybody. Let's get right to it. Remember, guys, before we start our live streaming, our content here is only for educational purposes. We're not financial advisor. Always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. So let's get right to it, guys. Tuesday, the market's doing fantastic for the semiconductor stocks. We're gonna discuss what's the game plan and, of course, what we should do for today because the pre-market for the unicorn is a bit slow for today. But for AMD, SMCI doing crazy good. Yes, sir. We got Ali ask about SMCI. Good morning, everybody. SOAR, low float. Yes, sir. This one looking great because it's holding the 214. We got SCNI flushing down, guys. I don't like this one right now because it's flushed down big time. Had a chance to break the $3.70, but we didn't. SLRX the same. SGD the same. So SOAR could be the one to watch. So get right to the business, guys. SOR, we got a few stocks to watch here. Okay, we got huge stocks, mini stocks reporting earnings today, guys. So we found a bit of interesting play out for today. And yes, SMCI and AMD looking interesting. Yes, SMCI, we got a pullback for it here, almost 3%. What's going on with SMCI? Yeah, we have a little pullback for today. AMD, a little pullback. Coinbase, MSTR, Tesla going good. Plug going good. TRY, we pulled back for because of yesterday earnings. SOAR pulling back a bit. Good morning. Yes, Dexter just made a list of the semiconductor stocks. We have ADI, AMD, ASML, AVGO, Marvell, MU, NVIDIA, NXPI, TSM. Yes, thank you, Dexter, for remind us about the semiconductor stocks, which are the strongest right now and doing all right. We got a bit of list to check as well here for the stock that have earnings today in the pre-market. Some of them are here. PayPal, yeah, going down 5%, guys. PayPal could be interesting for today for a reversal from this dip. Had earnings, I think, today in the pre-market, and we might have a reversal for it later on. So I'm watching PayPal at the market open because of the earnings today. We got Spotify as well, reverse and now pulling back. UPS the same. We got mini stocks reporting earnings in the pre-market. Visa, I think, is after hours. We got Starbucks. We got Boeing. Yeah, Starbucks looking interesting for today. SYY, I think, already. Let's see here. SYY, we got Mara the same. SoFi the same. Already reported earnings today. Yeah, SoFi did really great job today after the good earnings, as you can see here, guys. 34% suppressed for the earnings, which is a big deal. So yeah, SMCI did 10% yesterday. Not bad. For today, I'm watching this support, guys, for SMCI that we should hold if we don't want to have a huge pullback around the 57. Yeah, 57 could be a good support to hold at the market open for SMCI. We need to hold this support, guys. AMD the same. We got a gap to hold for AMD or support. First one is around the 171, then this little gap around the 166. AMD looking great for today. We expect a nice jump for AMD again. Yeah, we need another 5% for today. Anyway, let's check those stocks. Guys, don't forget to hit the like button on the way in. Don't forget, guys, to support the channel. Welcome everybody, wherever you are. Just checking the stock that have report for the earning today. Still checking the stock that have earnings for today. As we said, Mara is reporting earnings today after hours, guys. We got huge volatile week this week. We're gonna do the major update later on, guys, on our Discord. Remember, Intel, yeah, it had bad earnings. Short seller added around the 21.30, so we might have another pullback. As you can see here, we have a huge jump, almost 10%. Then we pull back almost 10%. Yeah, this is until PayPal, guys, reporting earning right now. Today it could be interesting to watch PayPal because already reversed in the pre-market today. We might have another reversal. UPS the same earnings right now. CARR pulled back. Even though we got good earnings, but pulled back almost 10%. I expect a nice reversal for this one. So I'm watching this one as well for a reversal up at least toward 74 and 78. The other one that looked great for today is Spotify. And SoFi, of course. Good morning, everybody. Don't forget to hit the like button on the way in. Today is a pretty volatile day. I'm watching the market closely. We're gonna have a huge action for today. Huge action, especially for the semiconductor stocks. Yeah, we expect huge volatility today for the market. SMCI and AMD, the ones that we should watch. SMCI did a really great job for yesterday. Today is kind of neutral. We might have a little pullback at the market open. Yeah, today is a swing day, day, guys, because the unicorn are a bit slow today. Okay, let's get right to it. Uh, let's see if we're gonna have a green day for today. AMD pulling back a bit before the market open. Let us check SOAR is holding tightly over this support, the $2.12. We got a huge pullback for the markets. We got, yeah, a resistance here for this one, guys. A huge resistance around the 2.23. SGD is a bit weaker here. Yeah, SMCI and AMD, the ones that we keep watching today at the market open. Either we're gonna have a huge push at the market open or a huge pullback. This is the turning point. Let's see which way we're gonna go. Which way we gonna go, everybody? This is the trick. Few seconds at the market open. Guys, hit the like button on the way in. Thank you for watching. What about SoFi? I will check it. But now let us check SMCI. Are we gonna have a new high or a new low? Market's about to open in any second. Let's go. Let's see if we're gonna have a huge jump or a huge dump. AMD pulling back. AMD pulling back a bit. SMCI holding. AMD holding. Let's see. AMD holding, guys. And SMCI is holding here, the little support over the 59. Yeah, we have a little support here, 59. AMD the same. Okay, nice hold up here. Yeah, AMD is strong. SMCI is stronger as well here. Guys, this is really a critical zone to hold for SMCI around the 59. Nice, a new high for AMD. AMD, guys, it might go toward the 187 for today. If we held the 172, of course, SMCI, we have to watch for this support right now over the 59.23. Simple as that. Yeah, I might put alert just in case for SMCI. I forget about it here. Now let us go back to SOAR. It's pulling back, so it's a bit dangerous. SLRS, nope. SMCI, okay. AMD, okay. Coinbase is going up. Yeah, UBS didn't break the resistance. Spotify, it might reverse here. SoFi, guys, doing all right. Jumped up big time at the market open. Yeah, SoFi looking great. Boeing looking not good. Starbucks going up a bit. Yeah, Spotify might be good for buying the dip here. Yeah, there's interesting dip going on for Spotify. You have Spotify, you have SoFi, PayPal. And you have Spotify. Yes, Spotify is getting near a nice bottom here, around the 617. AMD much stronger than SMCI. AMD giving a new high for today. Tier Y, guys, is hammered down 19%. Big flush. Plug, it might be good, guys, for plug if we went down. I would put alert for plug just in case if we really went down. Yeah, SMCI undecided here. Really undecided. We need to break this resistance around the 61.33 to go up. But as long as we hold the current support is good. 1590, 1590, 59. AMD, a new high, guys, still going strong. SOUN, we got a lot of requested stock. I will check. Martin Apollo, AEHL. We got SOUN. We got MVIS or Microvision Deb. So far already covered. FNGR. We got UAVS from Zach. How you doing, Zach? We've got SMCI. We got Wolf. Okay, we got mini stocks. Intel support. I will check it. Good morning, everybody. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe because we go all day live, guys, to cover the market. SOAR, not good. SCNI, guys, reverse from our support here. Nice reversal. We got a resistance to break now around the $3.70. Let's check here. Wolf, nothing much, brother. We have to break the 172 and hold over the 60 to go up. But it's a bit weak here. Let us check the requested stock from us here. SOUN and AHEL, I think. Or AEHL. Yes, sir. Let us check AEHL. Yeah, it's jumping really crazy. Hit the resistance around the 650 and now have a bit of support to hold to break this resistance again around the $8.40. I'm gonna keep AEHL on the list or on the wait. Oh, yeah, on the list. SOUN, no good. But have a bottom around $10.68. Wolf already covered it. UAVS not good. FNGR not good. Microvision, yes, near the $1.09 is the bottom. But AEHL, guys, looking great here for breakouts. Thank you, brother, for bringing this to us. He tries FUBO. I will check it right now, man. FUBO. What's going on with this majestic stock? We already covered it before. Guys, AEHL, I think, is halted right now. I think this stock is halted. We got SLRX has halted. AEHL is halted. IXHL is halted and resumed, I think. AXHL. FUBO. AEHL. And the other one, IXHL. Yes, it's halted up. Anyway, so FUBO 14%. Jumping like crazy. It's getting near the resistance $4.25, so be careful. $4.25 is a major resistance for FUBO. Current support is the $3.28 and the bottom should be the $2.37. Other levels is the 470, 520, and the 646. If we broke this level, I'm gonna keep it on the waiting list for FUBO. But now EHL, guys, looking great. Hold it up around the $6 could be really nice to break the 650. SOAR, nothing much, I think. Here, SCNI looking interesting with SLRX. Let's see, Spotify still down. PayPal started to reverse. SoFi have a bit of resistance now around the 25. UBS broke the support. It might go further down. This one as well. He's going. Let us go to SMCI. Yeah, SMCI have a struggle here. to break the 61. Guys, 61.20, it is the breakout zone. I'm gonna put a support right now for a trading stop for SMCI that we should hold over the 59, guys. 59.85, we need to hold. AMD is still jumping, guys. It's going to Falahala. AMD is going to Falahala. Is going strong. Everybody kind of feeling FOMO on AMD. Let's see the news on AMD. We got AMD CEO announced that new ships from TSMC Arizona plant will be 5% to 20% pricier than those from Taiwan, set to release by year end. Huge news for SMCI. Okay, let's see which one should be the one. Yeah, AMD is the one stock with SMCI, of course. Those two looking interesting for today. SoFi the same, did a really great job after good earnings, 16%, one of the top gainer for today. And UPS is hammering down. So I'm watching UPS, guys. It could be a really interesting dip is coming really near around the 92. So it'll be interesting to buy or to interest. Yeah, 2% more will be great for a reversal for UPS. PayPal already reverse. IPM, we got a little of reversal here, so not bad. You are welcome, E-Trice. Wait a second here. SMCI, man, what's going on, guys? Have a bit of struggle to go higher. Yeah, have a bit of struggle. I'm gonna put a support here for AMD around the 177.39 to hold. Yes, I'm gonna put a bit of support here. AMD the same, just in case if we went down. AEHL, guys, AEHL got shorted right around the resistance, the 650. SLRX looking interesting with AEHL, guys. AEHL looking interesting. Both of them are good. Yeah, AEHL, if we broke the 650, would be great for today. SLRX, the same, is getting near a breakout here. We don't have a lot of stocks, guys. Just three that have a chance to do some interesting things. Watch out, guys. AEHL 651. If we don't break it, it means we're not gonna go higher. Yeah, this is it. AEHL looking great right now, as long as we are below the 650. Yes, so SLRX and AEHL looking majestic, looking really juicy right now, guys. Both of them looking juicy. Yeah, it's good to take a bit of profit on AEHL. Yeah, we have a nice 5% here. Look at that, looking great. So yeah, it's better to take a bit of profit here, just in case. If we pull back, SLRX is about to break, guys. SLRX around the $2.27. We got a level we might go to around the 272 and $3.36. For now, yes, did a really great job to reverse on the 150. AEHL, at the other hand, it pulled back from the $6.50, so be careful. 650 is the resistance. AMD currently holding. Tier Y currently getting shorted. PayPal holding, Spotify reversing a bit. SoFi is good. UPS looking interesting for a reversal right now. Yes, looking really juicy. UBS. VWAV, CLDI. Man, SMCI have a huge struggle for today, guys. I have a huge struggle to hold. You know, if we don't hold here, will be a warning sign for me for SMCI 59.90. Yes, 59.90 should be the critical zone to hold. AMD looking all right so far. The strongest for today. Yeah, the strongest. The rest of the market is a bit weak. And SoFi, of course, special day for SoFi because had earnings today in the pre-market, guys. UPS getting near a nice little bottom. Now is 7%. Expect, yeah, almost 10% down would be great, or maybe 15%. SMCI have a struggle because the market is a bit weak for today, guys. I feel a weakness in the market. Spotting a bit of weakness. Anyway, AEHL, guys, is halted down right now. SLRX looking strong. $2.31. I think we're halted as well for SLRX. Look at that. This is crazy. AHL, AEHL halted down. SLRX halted up. DRRX, I will check it right now. DRRX, if it's halted down or up. And yes, George, you are welcome. SLRX, Jem, thank you for the reminder. Yes, this one is halted. DRRX, I think, is direct offering, something like this. That's why jumping 300%. So I'm gonna pass. Yeah, SLRX, guys, looking great right now. It's halted right around the resistance, the $2.30. So we got a level we might go to around the 268. This is one that we should watch. One of the greatest stocks for today. Yeah, the market, it is getting weaker, guys, for sure. AMD trying, it's pulling back a lot now. If we don't hold over the 177.39 is mean a weakness. We have a seller in the market. The same for SMCI, guys. If we don't hold here is mean we're gonna have a red day. If we don't have a wick now or right now is mean not good. Three, two, one. Yes, a wick. Not bad. We need to hold over the 59.87 right now. Yeah, AMD holding, SMCI is holding. Nice. But the whole market is down, guys. Be careful. Plug is flushing. Broke the support right now. So we might have a huge pullback for plug. We have a huge fight. AMD and SMCI fighting to be in the green for today. Especially SMCI is fighting for the deal life. Again, guys, today we have a huge earning stock that reporting earning today. Huge, guys, huge. So we're gonna do update for those all stocks that reporting earning today. If you want to have access to updated level for those stocks, guys, remember we always go live every day to discuss those stocks in depth. And of course, you can join us for this update today before the market close, of course, for precise entry and exit for those stocks. The link in the comment section below if you want to join our Patreon and Discord. In the meantime, watch out, guys. SMCI and AMD fighting. For SMCI is holding over the 59.87, which is the current support. We've got yeah, AEHL pullback, SLRX pullback right around the $2.31. Now it's halted down. Yeah, the market is crazy today, guys. UPS trying to reverse from the bottom. Yeah, we got a lot of stocks trying today to do something to reverse, especially PayPal and Spotify and UPS. Going back here, or SMCI, guys, it might fail to hold. SMCI trying so hard, man. I think I'm gonna lower the resistance. Yeah, for SMCI, just around the 60.48. 60.48 resistance. If we broke it, guys, we might have a nice reversal. Like AMD right now, trying for a new high. Nice. SLRX, nice hunt, my brother. Take your profit, man. This is what's up. Sell 50% on SLRX. Great. FUBO, brother, we already discussed it. I don't know if you saw our update for FUBO. We said the $4.25 is a resistance right now. That's why we put back around the $4.20 because it is the resistance. And now the support bottom is the 3.28 and profit taken 470, 520, and the ultimate target 646. AEHL, nothing much. SLRX, putting back. SCNI. What else we got here? FUBO. SMCI trying. AMD, a new high. Nice. Yeah, SMCI need to break, as we said, the 60.48. Today might be AMD the only one will end in green, guys. The rest of the market is kind of in red. Yeah, huge red for the market. Only one is AMD and maybe SoFi for today that holding the gains. Yeah, look at this. AMD did a huge reversal, guys. From here to there, we did 20% in just 6 days. Yeah, so AMD did a nice reversal and now it's getting major resistance, guys, around the 187. So we expect AMD to go here, then with pullback. So another 4%, and then we might have a pullback, a huge one. So AMD is getting near a huge pullback zone. Plus the market is really red, so it's kind of dangerous for AMD. All the market is red. So AMD technically going against the current right now. Let's check cryptos. Yeah, Bitcoin is good. Ethereum is good. Not a lot of red, so AEHL pulled back a lot, guys. Be careful because the 650 was the resistance, so we didn't break it. We tested 3 times, and now it's flushing down. SLRX is halted down, now is unhalted, guys. We got the support for SLRX that we should hold is over here, the 177. If we held it, we're gonna have a reversal. If we didn't, will be no good for SLRX. The other stocks, if FUBO, nothing much. This one, nothing much. Checking the stock that have earnings, UBS, they're getting near the bottom. And for the swing trade stocks, we got SMCI trying to break the resistance right now, guys. SMCI trying to break their resistance, everybody. 60.50, nice. AMD going higher toward the 179.80. SMCI jumping. Let's go SMCI, and this one is jumping to Falahala. So we got AMD and SMCI doing all right. Yeah, SMCI and the other one doing all right. Yeah, SMCI kind of broke the resistance. That's why we go on the green side. Now we have another resistance around the 61.20. Nice reversal here from this support. AMD, the same nice reversal. So we expect another push today. We might have a nice jump for this MCI, guys. Another 10% for today or this week will be fantastic. MSTR is moving a bit, Mara is moving a bit, CRCL. But yeah, the most of the stocks are in red for today. Red dictate the color for today. AEHL, guys, warning, is too dangerous right now. SLRX is halted down. Let us double check one thing, which is the top gainer for today. Yeah, the market is a bit weaker for the unicorn, guys, for today. Today we got a special day because it's a bit weak. Going back to SMCI, AMD looking great. Nice. AMD 184% and still going. SMCI follow the footsteps of AMD and we going higher. Guys, don't forget to hit the like button on the way in. We go live every day, 30 minutes before the market open here on our YouTube, and before that on our Discord and Patreon. The link in comment section below. So SLRX is unhalted or still halted down. SCNI is holding up. SGD is reversing. AEHL, I think, is still halted down. DRRX, Black Unicorn. No, it's not a unicorn, man. It's have offering, so there is no entry for it. It's kind of tricky. Guys, SLRX, I think, is game over here. Yeah, it went down big time. So, no, FABE is not good, guys. Broke the support, now it's going down more. So yeah, we got SMCI and AMD, the only one in green, and SoFi because it got earnings. But SMCI currently below the 6120, the major resistance that we should break, and AMD we're getting near a major resistance around the 187. Now we hit the 180. Not bad for today. Yeah, good number. Yeah, good number too. Yeah, not bad for today. Anyway, guys, this is it for now. We're gonna do a huge update for today, guys, on our Discord. So don't forget, we're gonna do a huge update for our hunters for the swing trade stocks. As you can see here, we did for TLY before the earnings. When we set the resistance there, the price didn't break after the earnings. We did for Google and many stocks. So we're going to do a major update, guys, for those stocks later on that have earnings, major earnings play for after hours today. So we're going to do that and, of course, update you about the unicorn. If we got one like STEM for IXHL, PLRZ. And shout out to my brother Dexter, just took his profit on SLRX before the pullback down. Always take your profit, guys, and on the way because the market is a bit dangerous and unpredictable for now. So always secure your profit. And remember, there's always opportunity in the market. So if you don't catch any opportunity today, there's always opportunity tomorrow. So make sure to come early tomorrow to trade with us live 30 minutes before the market open. In the meantime, guys, don't forget to hit the like button. And of course, see you all back by tomorrow.